I got a 6-pack of beers in my fridge and I'm really thirsty. I got a big bag of crisps and a full box of Quality Street. I got some microwave pizza and some microwave fries. Got some microwave hot dogs that have burst down the side. Got a big bar of chocolate and a big fat bag of weed. I got some money in my pocket in case I need to go and get me some more. I hear the postman knocking, but I can't be asked to answer the door. Because I answered yesterday, and the postman said to me, "Will you take this package, cause there's no one in next door, you see?" And I said, "Yeah, I suppose I'll take it." Wankers. Some friends of mine are coming round to practice cause we're starting a band. This is our first rehearsal and I know Rome wasn't built in a day. Yeah. So take your instruments in hand. We're starting off in G. Just let the music flow. Yeah, who knows, we could make history. Here we go, boys. Are you ready? Let's rock! 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Wow, that was, like, different, wasn't it? Tell you what, let's never do that ever again. Ever. Let's finish off with a farting competition. Loser skins up.